This hair is so unbelievably gorgeous. Alright y'all, so let's jump right into it. First, packaging. You guys know I love a good packaging, so I do want to completely unbox it for you guys exactly how it came. Here it came in this Asteria Hair box. It's super cute. I love the white and Tiffany blue. Super gorgeous. And then here is the unit. It's really long, so I'm super excited to get into that. But before we get into the unit, I do want to share what all they sent to me in this box. So in the box, they sent some headbands. We have a couple of headbands. We have this. I'm not even sure what this is, but let's check her out. It's a little Asteria Hair. This may be like a satin bag, is what I'm assuming this might be. Oh no, what is this? A little sash, maybe a headband. I mean, I don't know, but she's cute. We'll take her. I got a wig cap. I got some lashes, which are actually pretty cute. Usually these lashes be a hot mess, child, but these are kind of cute. They're nice and fluffy, so I'm definitely gonna hold on to those. It comes with an extra piece of elastic band, so I'm assuming there may not be one in the unit. And then it does come with a satin bag for you to keep your unit in, just to preserve her. So I absolutely love that. Just to let you guys know, I did get this unit in 26 inches and it is 180% density. So let's take her out, and I'll be sure to leave all the details on the screen and in the description box below. So right off the bat, she is super gorgeous, very soft. Oh, that feels good. Like, that feels really good. Now let's get into cap construction. So the clips are different. We have 3 clips across the front, but they're more so like clip-in clips. They're not just combs where they actually snap into place. I feel like it'll be a little more sturdy to actually grip the hair and hold it in place. So you have 3 of those across the crown, and you have 2 in the back. It does not come with any adjustable straps or elastic band, but you do have the option to add yours in if you like. And then of course you have the headband, which it looks like it is a great size. It is not too wide or it's not too long. It's actually super thin, which I love because I feel like it'll make the unit a little more versatile. And it is of course a Velcro strap. So I think with this unit, I'm going to put her on and style her a couple of different ways, but I do want to try putting a little heat on it and straighten it to see how that works out. So this is straight out of the pack. I didn't wash her or put any products in it. So yeah, let's jump right into the review. So I have to pause really quick and give you guys just my initial thoughts, feelings, impressions about this hair. This hair is so unbelievably gorgeous. I have to venture to say that out of all the wigs that I've tried and all of the different types of hair that I've tried, this is by far, literally by far, the better, if not best quality hair I've tried. Like, I cannot explain to you guys how soft and nice this hair feels. Now, how she's gonna hold up, I'm not 100% sure, but what I do know is this hair right now, straight out the pack, no wash, no product, no nothing, is absolutely gorgeous. I almost don't want to straighten her, but I do want to see what she'll do if I put a little heat on her. But this hair is beautiful. Beautiful. This hair straightened, no problem at all. This is what it looks like with just one pass through. I absolutely love the texture. I think it adds to, it's a plane going overhead. I think the texture adds to the natural look, so I am all the way here for it. I am going to put a little bit of oil on it just to give it some shine. I mean, my fingers are just running straight through it. There's no tangles whatsoever, and it's super long. So I got it in 26 inches and it hits right at my hip. So why y'all ain't tell me about Asteria Hair? I mean, she is just cute. I can't believe, like, where have I been? I definitely want to see if they have some clip-in options and just what their regular extension options are, because this hair is gorgeous. So that is it for this review, guys. I absolutely love this hair. I'm definitely going to wash her and see if she's going to revert back to her natural curl, which I assume she will. Yeah, y'all, I don't know why I was sleeping on Asteria Hair, but she is cute, honey. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. If you have not already, please do not forget to subscribe on your way out. Let me know what else you would like to see from me. Again, I am really enjoying these wig reviews. I think I'm gonna get back to a little bit of crochet, a little more clip-ins, give you guys a little bit of variety. So be sure to turn your bell notification on so you'll be notified every time I upload here on YouTube, and I will see you dolls on my next video.